Tutorial. Raising a TikTok account. Automatic. First will be More script. Click on Create a new script. This script will interact by keyword according to the video you want. Like, share, comment, and all the parameters. We all install it below. Setting the watch time, number of comments, the number of videos and likes, comment, the share. Do parameters, just like I installed it. If there is a comment, then let's add comment content, come in here. Then back, about home page. Select script you just saved. Press start. The software will raising a TikTok account automatically for you. You can observe. If you want more detail and want a guide, then text me directly through me. Thank you very much. I watched the whole video.